Hello students, welcome back. This is Dr. Amit Soni and I'm back with all of you students with the 555 communication practice session. So without killing the time, let's go ahead, dear students. I'm repeatedly giving you all the videos, dear students. Keep watching and get the maximum benefits. Okay, so let's go to the first round, and that is tongue twisters. So I have a very small tongue twister but very much effective, and the tongue twister of the day is I scream, we all scream for ice cream. Once again, I'm speaking distance. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. It is written on the screen. Just write it, learn it, and send it to me, distance, on the WhatsApp number that you already have. So, let me tell you, distance, wonderful structure today, and that is the sentences to show possibility. मेरे लिए ताजी सब्जियां ले आना अगर बाजार जाओ, एक पुस्तक ले आना अगर तुम पुस्तकालय जाओ, उससे मिल लेना अगर तुम उधर से गुजरो. These are not conditions. Once again, I'm just going to tell you this. These are not conditions. These are possibilities. If you want to translate this kind of sentence, we have a beautiful sentence, and that is, get me some fresh vegetables in case you go to market. Get me a book in case you go to the stationery. Meet him in case you cross from there. So this is how you can transform this kind of sentences using in case. This is beautiful, distance. If you learned it, I have a question for all of you. Means one sentence I'm just giving it to you. I'll be waiting for you, distance, in the comment box with the answer. So the sentence of the day is, थोड़ी exercise कर लेना अगर सुबह सवेरे जग जाओ. So this was the sentence, distance, that you have to solve. Now moving towards the third round, and that is listening and writing practice. So the person whom I really want to suggest to all of you listeners is called Preeti Zinta. She is a businesswoman as well as a famous celebrity of Bollywood. Really, you're going to be benefited, by listening her. Just go, contact and listen her. Set up space with us, stay connected within the station, because you get complete English solution. Love you, bye bye.